Okay, now we need to talk a little more about Mardi Gras because it is Mardi Gras season and a lot of you are talking about it right now. And people have said to me, when you go to a Mardi Gras ball, it's kind of like going to an award show in Hollywood. Well, I see that point. Everyone wants to look great, so the men dress in tuxedos and the ladies in beautiful gowns. But when thinking about making sure that your tails or your Mardi Gras gowns look just right, don't forget about making sure that your skin looks fabulous too. In this area, one thing that everybody looks forward to, the Mardi Gras season. And if you're going to any balls, you want to look your best. I mean, you're all dazzled up. You have your gowns. The guys have their tuxedos. So what about your face?
Well, over the years, I mean, the favorite procedures for patients to have done to get ready for Mardi Gras season, to look their best,
yes,
are things that, number one, are going to make a big difference, but, you know, not require a lot of downtime.
Yeah.
So intense pulse light is a favorite, and what that does is it's a real superficial treatment that will remove a lot of sun damage. So it gives that skin a nice uniform appearance, especially with the dresses the ladies like to wear during ball season. We can treat not only the face but the neck, the décolleté. I don't want to get French on anyone here, but the décolleté here.
It's Mardi
also,
Gras, you can.
That's right. That's right. That's true. Exactly. But the hands also are a favorite area to get treated, and the arms. One treatment will make a really nice improvement, and sometimes we do two. But to get ready, that would be something that'd be really good to do. The second thing is hydrofacial. Hydrofacial is kind of the newer form of microdermabrasion. It uses water as opposed to particles that microdermabrasion uses, and that's to exfoliate, to cleanse, give a nice glow. That's something that would be done the week prior to the big ball, and there's really no downtime with that procedure. And then of course, Botox. Botox is always a favorite. Want to have that done probably about 2 weeks, to be really safe. That way, in case of any kind of bruising or anything, that's all gone. A minimum of 1 week before, the big ball and Mardi Gras day, you want to have the Botox done. And of course, that takes care of the fine lines, between the eyes and the glabella, and also around the outside of the eyes, the smile lines.
And this is really for anybody, males, females, can both do this.
Men and women will benefit from those 3 treatments, and men and women have both of those, all those treatments done.
So some great ways to get ready and make sure that you're feeling your best, you're looking your best for the Mardi Gras balls. Now, any other procedures that people are coming in around this time of year and asking for?
Sure. Well, during the cooler months, of course I say that, and it's about 75 degrees out there today, but the cooler months are a time when if you're going to have like a CO2 laser procedure, resurfacing, it's going to require 4 or 5 days of downtime. Great time of the year to have that done, and that way your skin's looking really good and all healed before the spring and summer arrives. Of course, we're doing hair transplantation, the new neograft procedure, another thing that patients are enjoying and doing this time of year, because that way they can take a week off and relax, and they don't have to ruin their summer months. So
now, what's involved in the CO2 laser resurfacing?
Basically, patients come in, we do some topical anesthesia, and we go over the entire face. We also treat the neck, we also treat the upper chest, depending on what the patient needs. And with that procedure, you're actually going to get some tightening and some, it's treating fine lines and wrinkles too. So it goes a lot deeper than the procedure we talked about before, which is intense pulse light. But when you're going to get those wrinkles and trying to recreate collagen and having the body regenerate collagen, that requires more downtime, it requires more healing time. Generally 4 or 5 days.
So that's something maybe to do after Mardi Gras. So you have kind of the quick fix before Mardi Gras, then after Mardi Gras come back and get that laser.
Exactly.
Okay, and then the hair transplantation, again, something to do after Mardi Gras.
Yes.
Perfect. So a lot of different things going on here, and you can find a list of all of these services and more information about them when you log on to our website. It's under the Studio 10 tab on fox10tv.com. Thanks so much for having us.
Thank you.
Now, Dr. Bender has offices in Mobile and in Daphne. Very easy to find. So if you would like to call and make an appointment for a procedure, any procedure, the sooner the better. And you'll find, just like I mentioned, all of that information, including the phone number to Gulf Coast Dermatology, when you log on to fox10tv.com. It's all under the Studio 10 tab.